Anthony, do you want to add something on that? Your experience with Miro?
Yeah, Richard, can you hear me?
Yes.
Oh, that's good. So it's the first time that I'm speaking in so exclusive circle. This is the case on the left-hand side here, and I put it to the II chat. We have a chat already just using the building blocks, and then I took it over here. And so we have the opportunities of the case and the threats from the case. We have the strengths and the weaknesses from the case. And in the middle, then we have the purpose. I can scroll a bit bigger. And so some strategic goals already. So I would ask Eve, what is the name, Jason? If items are right, then we have some objectives here, some key results already. And then we would jump down to the question for the students. What can we do? What are your ideas? And then we're talking about the next steps, for example. And that makes it very operational after the strategic level of thinking, going downwards to the operational level, and afterwards it's just like learned next step framework, like a review, what we have learned in this session or what we have learned from this case, and then we go on.
Well, I congratulate you, Anthony, on two things: your Zoom and PowerPoint skills, and what a lovely Miro board. I'm also going to mention that we have OKRs now in the 14th edition. We didn't have them mentioned before, and now we do.
I was going to ask, do you use that as a classroom exercise, or do you use that as a summative assessment?
I'm doing it in different ways. The first one in classroom exercises. So we have case studies, for example, or mostly case studies.
Yeah.
And I'm using it also in practical ways in companies, just to see themselves. And for example, in strategy workshops, if this is a question.
Oh, wow. So you're using it outside the classroom in
yes.
industry. Oh, wow, that's brilliant.
Yes.
That's really. I think it's great. I really like it. It looks creative and exciting. It's a really really polished way of doing it. I think. Yeah, well done.
Interactive. I think that definitely gets the cool award. Another cool award out there. Okay. Now we've still got plenty of people on. Thank you for being so resilient and participative. Well done. But I think we should probably be winding things up. I'm just going to ask the authors to hang on a little bit. Would somebody, it's a fantastic tool, isn't it? Thank you, Anthony. You were saying, would anybody else like to contribute anything? Indeed, one of the authors might want to jump in, or indeed Clive or Jason, if he's still around.